Keeping carpets, furniture, and car interiors spotless doesn't have to mean hours of heavy-duty cleaning. Modern spot cleaners are compact, powerful, and built to handle pet stains, spills, and daily messes with ease. With so many claiming deep clean results, choosing one that truly delivers can feel overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the 6 best spot cleaners that truly stand out. From strong suction and smart stain removal technology to portability and easy maintenance, these models are built to handle real-world messes quickly and effectively, whether it's your sofa, rugs, stairs, or car seats. You'll find links to the best prices for all the spot cleaners featured in this video in the description and top comment below. These picks aren't ranked in any particular order, so make sure you watch until the end to discover which spot cleaner is the perfect fit for your cleaning routine. Number 6. Kenmore SpotLite Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner. The Kenmore SpotLite Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner is a powerful and versatile solution for tackling tough stains on both upholstery and carpets, especially when smaller or cordless models simply aren't enough. Designed with larger cleaning jobs in mind, it features generously sized clean and dirty water tanks, 76.8 ounces for clean water and 64 ounces for dirty, allowing you to clean multiple cushions, dining chairs, or sections of carpet without constant refilling. Its extra-long hose and included small and large cleaning heads make it easy to handle everything from narrow chair seams to wide sofa backs and curved armrests. In testing, including evaluations similar to those conducted in professional cleaning labs, the SpotLite proved highly effective on both fresh and dried stains such as grape juice, tomato sauce, and coffee, lifting them with impressive ease. The machine is intuitive to operate, and clearly marked fill lines for small and large jobs simplify the process of mixing cleaning solution, removing any guesswork. Another advantage is its compatibility with virtually any brand of portable carpet cleaning formula, giving users flexibility once the included sample solution runs out. While it does not include a dedicated hose cleaning function, flushing clean water through the system before storage is recommended to maintain performance. Weighing just over 10 pounds, the unit is slightly heavier than some compact competitors and may feel bulky when maneuvering in tight areas like car interiors. However, its strong suction power, 20-foot cord for extended reach, stationary brush, and overall capacity make it an excellent choice for households that need a dependable cleaner for larger, more demanding messes. Number 5. Hoover PowerDash Go Pet Plus Spot Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Go Pet Plus Spot Cleaner proves that compact machines can still deliver impressive performance, especially for pet owners dealing with frequent messes. Designed with portability in mind, this slim and lightweight unit weighs just 9.48 pounds, making it easy to carry around the house, upstairs, or even out to the car. One of its standout features is the generous 5-foot hose, which offers more reach than many competing portable cleaners, allowing you to tackle spills on stairs, upholstery, and car interiors without constantly repositioning the machine. During testing, the included pet attachment performed particularly well, lifting embedded and set-in stains with surprising ease despite the unit's small size. Practical design touches further enhance usability. The tanks stand upright for easy, spill-free filling, the cord wraps neatly around the back for tidy storage, and the hose clips securely into place when not in use. Its slim profile also makes it convenient to rest on a stair step or fit into tight storage spaces. While the 8-ounce tank capacity is on the smaller side, meaning more frequent refills for larger jobs, it's a reasonable trade-off for the cleaner's portability. The unit uses a stationary brush rather than a powered one, yet it still delivers solid agitation for spot cleaning tasks. Hoover recommends using its own pre-mixed cleaning solution to maintain the warranty, but the upside is that there's no measuring or mixing required, adding to the overall convenience. With a 14-foot power cord and an average quiet mark noise rating of 2 stars, the PowerDash Go Pet Plus strikes a practical balance between power, portability, and everyday ease of use. Number 4. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro portable carpet cleaner is a powerful and practical solution designed specifically with pet owners in mind, combining strong stain removal performance with thoughtful features that tackle the toughest messes. Built to handle everything from muddy paw prints to stubborn pet accidents, it comes equipped with a 4-foot hose, an extra-long 20-foot power cord, and generously sized 96-ounce water tanks, making it especially effective for larger cleaning jobs and hard-to-reach areas like stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. One of its standout features is the innovative Stain Trapper tool, which cleverly captures and isolates unpleasant pet messes before they enter the hose or dirty water tank, helping to prevent lingering odors and buildup inside the machine. In performance testing, it proved highly effective at eliminating strong ammonia odors used to simulate pet urine, leaving carpets noticeably fresher. While the included cleaning solution is economical and lasts a long time, it does require dilution before use. The large tank capacity means fewer interruptions for refilling, which is convenient during bigger cleaning sessions. However, this added capacity also increases the unit's weight, making it feel heavier to carry, particularly when the tanks are full, with the machine weighing around 13 pounds. Additionally, it received a loud rating in Quiet Mark sound tests, so it may not be the best choice for noise-sensitive households. Despite lacking a powered brush, it does include a stationary brush that works effectively alongside its strong suction. Overall, the SpotClean Pet Pro stands out as a dependable, heavy-duty portable cleaner ideal for pet parents who need serious stain and odor removal performance. Number 3. Dirt Devil Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. The Dirt Devil Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get reliable, stain-fighting performance. While it lacks some of the advanced features found on premium carpet cleaners, it focuses on the essentials and executes them well. In testing, it effectively removed stubborn stains such as grape juice, tomato sauce, chocolate, coffee, and even synthetic pet urine, demonstrating impressive cleaning power for a budget-friendly machine. Its lightweight, compact build makes it especially convenient for quick cleanups on carpets, rugs, stairs, car interiors, and upholstered furniture. Weighing just 8 pounds, it's easy to lift, carry, and maneuver around the home without strain. The simple control layout ensures hassle-free operation, making it suitable even for first-time users. Thoughtful storage features add to its practicality. The 15-foot power cord wraps neatly onto a rear reel, while the hose and nozzle clip securely into place on the base. A built-in hose flush function helps clear out residual dirty water after use, keeping the system cleaner and ready for the next job. The handle also folds down, allowing for more compact storage in closets or tight spaces. However, its smaller 19-ounce tank capacity means you may need to refill clean water and empty the dirty tank more often during larger cleaning sessions. It does not include a powered brush, though it features a stationary brush that still assists with agitation. Despite these minor limitations, the Dirt Devil stands out as an affordable, user-friendly spot cleaner that delivers dependable results for everyday messes. Number 2. Bissell Little Green Machine. The Bissell Little Green Machine is a pioneer in the portable carpet cleaner category, and, years after its debut, it continues to prove why it's such a popular and trusted choice. Known for its strong cleaning performance and practical design, this compact machine delivers impressive results on carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas. Its 4-foot hose provides excellent flexibility, allowing you to tackle tight corners, stairs, and spot stains with ease, while the generous 48-ounce clean and dirty water tanks reduce the need for constant refilling and emptying during larger cleaning sessions. Weighing just 9.65 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry around the house, and the sturdy top handle makes transport simple and comfortable. Storage is equally convenient, with the hose wrapping securely around the base and snapping neatly into place, and the 15-foot power cord winding onto a built-in rear reel for a tidy finish. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the included Hydro Rinse tool, which helps flush out leftover debris from the hose to minimize odors and buildup. While it does not feature a powered brush, it includes a stationary brush that effectively agitates stains for thorough cleaning. There are a couple of minor drawbacks. The cleaning solution must be diluted before use, which can make the pouring process slightly inconvenient, and it has been rated as loud by Quiet Mark, so it may not be ideal for noise-sensitive environments. However, its consistent performance, durability, and user-friendly design make the Bissell Little Green machine a reliable go-to for quick cleanups and deep spot treatments alike. Number 1. Bissell Little Green Hydro-Steam Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green Hydro-Steam Portable Carpet Cleaner delivers impressive deep cleaning performance in a compact yet powerful design, making it a standout choice for tackling tough household stains. In GH Cleaning Lab evaluations, it received top marks for overall effectiveness, excelling at lifting stubborn stains, neutralizing odors, and operating with user-friendly simplicity. What truly sets this model apart is its Hydro-Steam technology, which uses the power of steam to break down sticky and oily messes that traditional spot cleaners often struggle to remove. It even proved capable of eliminating an old set-in stain from a wool carpet, an achievement that highlights its serious cleaning strength. With 3 distinct cleaning modes, users can switch between steam wash for deep cleaning, wash only for everyday stains, and steam only for refreshing fabrics without oversaturating them. The included attachments make it easy to handle everything from greasy spills to enzyme-based pet accidents, as well as quickly reviving upholstery, drapes, and other soft surfaces. Despite being labeled portable, the unit is slightly bulkier and weighs around 13 pounds, making it heavier than some other Bissell models. However, this added heft comes with the benefit of a generous 64-ounce tank that significantly reduces the need for frequent refills during larger cleaning sessions. The 15-foot power cord provides decent reach, and while it doesn't feature a powered brush, it does include a stationary brush for effective scrubbing. Another convenient feature is Bissell's ready-to-use cleaning formula, which requires no mixing and can be stored directly in the machine, ensuring it's always prepared for the next mess. Overall, this cleaner balances portability with professional-level stain removal performance.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.